Guys, your medical bills are about to be deleted. This is not a false alarm. This is not clickbait. This is serious business. In today's video, I'm going to show you and give you a deep dive on why the country may be removing your medical bills ASAP. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense into your own hands, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about medical bills and how the country is removing upward to $195 billion worth of medical bills from all of the three bureaus. Before we get into the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. That allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. It allows YouTube to know to push us within their algorithm that allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They're no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Okay, thank you. Now let's dive straight into the meat and the potatoes of this video. I want to go straight to the meat and potatoes. I only really want to have no fluff, no cover when it comes to this video. Now, Daily Mail released an article basically stating that millions of Americans will be and have their medical debt wiped out entirely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transition my screen and I'm going to actually give you guys a full detail on the article, and we're going to read over the bullet points together. So this is going to be the article that I was telling you about the Daily Mail release in terms of the medical bill. So let's read it. Millions of Americans will have their medical debt wiped from their credit reports. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion to strip billions of dollars from the record, allowing people to get home and car loans previously that was denied. So guys, like I said, medical bills have been a very prominent reason why a lot of people has not been able to soar in terms of financial freedom, because their medical bills have weighed so much on their finances. Like I said, 1 in 10 adults have owed or have medical bills that's significant. Okay, so they're saying Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion all announced Friday that they will collectively wipe out 70% of a reported $195 billion deficient from their collection accounts. The change targets already paid debts still stuck in collections, which can mar a consumer's credit report for up to 7 years after they have even paid it off. So yes, guys, like I said in multiple of my videos, that paying off these bills do not get them removed. Like they said, you can pay it off and it still will be on your credit report for 7 years. The firms are also planning to remove all unpaid debts of less than $500 in the first half of 2023. So that means that if you have a medical bill on your credit report, you're going to get it removed automatically if it's less $500, and they're going to work on that around the first 6 months of next year. The threshold could rise, sources close to the matter said. Under the company's new guidance, new unpaid medical debts won't get added to the credit report for a full year, even after being sent to collections. So even if you do acquire new medical bills, they are not going to ding you on the credit report for almost a year before you actually have a negative mark on your credit report. So you have a full year to fix it extra before you even get it on the credit report, guys. This is huge. Outstanding medical costs can result in consumers being denied loans for cars and college, as well as application for property purchase and rentals. The change announced by the credit giants, the world's 3 largest consumer credit agencies, seeks to aid those negatively affected to those debts. Guys, this is huge. This is going going to change the trajectory. And I honestly think that this is going to be a ripple effect on how the world or this country is going to tackle the ongoing debt crisis that we have. We have a lot of debt, and I think that it's going to trickle over to other industries as well, like student loans, like charge-offs. Is going to trickle down to other variations of the debt. Guys, let me know in the comments how you feel about this. Do you have a lot of medical bills? Do you feel like this is going to help you out a lot? Do you think that this is not going to help at all? Let me know in the comments how you actually feel about this article. I'm going to leave this article in the comments as well, and you guys just let me know how you feel about it. Okay, so yeah, till next time, guys, take care of yourself and take care of your credit.